Good morning, students. Today's our topic is determiners. Today we will know about what is determiner, why we use determiners, and types of determiners. Determiners are words that comes at the beginning of the noun. Determiners introduces noun, determines noun, and also tell whether a noun is specific or general. We all will know about the types of determiner. First, articles, which are words like a and the. Second, demonstrative, which are words like this, that, these, those. Quantifiers, which are words like some, few, many, much, any. Possessive determiners, which are words like my, your, his, her, their, them. Examples of each types of determiners are articles, which are words like a and the. Articles determines which noun the speaker is referring to. Indefinite article, a and, it is the general version of noun. Example is a book is man's friend. Here a book shows all the category of book, not a specific book. That's why we use indefinite article a. Definite article is it is a specific version of noun. The Bhagavad Gita is one of the holy book of Hinduism. Here Bhagavad Gita is a specific noun, specific book. That's why we use the definite article. The third type is demonstrative determiners, which are words like these, that, these, those. Demonstrative pronouns are also used as determiners. They are used to point something specific within a sentence. Something specific within a sentence. They focus attention on the nouns that they are replacing. Examples: I want to go that movie. Here our viewpoint is a specific movie, particular movie. So that is demonstrative determiner. He wanted those boys to go away. Here we talking about a particular boys. Possessive determiners, which are words like my, your, his, him, our, their. Possessive pronouns are words that are used to show ownership. Example: where is your bike? Here we are talking about your bike. With your, this word shows ownership. That's why this is possessive determiner. It's our secret recipe. The recipe is our. So here possessive determiner is our. Our next category of determiner is quantifiers, which are words like some, few, little, much, more, any. They indicate how much or how little of noun is being discussed. How much or how little noun is being discussed. It shows a quantity. Examples: he took some book of mine. Here some. This word shows the quantity of book Some shows the quantity of book. That's why this word is quantifier determiner. He has few apples in the refrigerator. Here few. Here few is quantifier determiner because it shows the quantity of apple. So in this video we read about determiners and its 4 types. Thank you.